That's right. Alberto did make landfall earlier this morning near Tampico, Mexico, as Tropical Storm Alberto. It has weakened now to a tropical depression. It is going to continue to weaken as it moves westward into Mexico, still giving quite a bit of rain across northeast Mexico, and still South Texas dealing with quite a bit of rain as well. So here's the track. By late tonight, it should dissipate as it moves into the higher terrain of Mexico. So Alberto still bringing us those indirect impacts across southeastern Louisiana today. We've had the coastal flooding already to start your Thursday. It has still been breezy, but those impacts will start to diminish, and we'll get improving conditions heading into this weekend. Right now, we are mostly dry aside from a couple scattered showers moving from east to west across the South Shore. So expect some spotty rain on your Thursday afternoon. Pretty hit or miss. Definitely not much to worry about. You notice these showers are kind of on the smaller end, so expect some small little showers, maybe some quick downpours that pass through relatively quickly as we go throughout the afternoon. Here are our current winds, so it's not as windy as yesterday as Alberto pulls away and weakens and moves into Mexico, but it's still breezy on the backside of that. So expect a breezy rest of your day. Winds still coming from the east around 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting over 20 miles per hour in a few spots, especially offshore, and even in Kenner and in Gulfport, we've got gusts over 20 miles per hour. So it's going to be breezy, and that will continue to be the trend today, but winds will really start to weaken tomorrow. So tomorrow looking less windy. We'll see calmer winds over the weekend. Tomorrow, though, I still think we'll keep the east wind pattern. So not only today, but tomorrow as well, we'll probably deal with another round of coastal flooding. So expect some coastal flooding during the high tide early this afternoon, especially for St. Bernard Parish, for our westward shoreline. So westward shoreline of Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas. Lake Bourne dealing with coastal flooding early this afternoon, and then getting into the high tide tomorrow. We'll see probably another round of minor coastal flooding. Not as bad tomorrow, maybe 1 to 2 feet above normal, and then I think we'll be done with the coastal flooding heading into late tomorrow and into this weekend. Today is the first day of summer. It is the summer solstice, our longest day of the year, officially day length over 14 hours and 4 minutes long. And now the days are going to start to get a little bit shorter from here on out. So happy summer, everyone. It certainly feels like it. It's been feeling like summer here. It's going to continue to be hot and humid getting into this weekend. Actually, some hotter temperatures coming our way starting tomorrow. As for today, we'll have some lingering clouds, a few spotty showers this afternoon, temperatures in the upper 80s, near 90 degrees. And then tonight, we should trend mostly dry getting into the overnight hours. As we see this hotter pattern take shape getting into tomorrow and this weekend, upper high pressure is going to be moving over the southern part of the country and then shifting west getting into early next week. That will keep our daily high temperatures in the low to mid 90s starting tomorrow. So we've got a big warm up on the way. It's going to be hot and humid tomorrow all weekend long into early next week. And that upper high pressure will help really lower our rain chances tomorrow and Saturday. So expect mostly dry weather Friday and Saturday. Sunday we'll see a bit more moisture coming in, and we'll bring back the chance for a few scattered showers and storms. Sunday more hit or miss, but I think early next week we'll have a few scattered showers and storms in the afternoon. Typical summertime behavior for sure. So getting into the tropics quickly, we've got Alberto continuing to weaken in Mexico, and then there are those two other spots to watch. One in the southwestern Gulf expected to develop maybe this weekend. Could be something this weekend, maybe a tropical depression. And then Invest 92 out in the southwestern Atlantic, still looking like it might develop also into a depression and could bring impacts into Florida, North Florida and South Georgia tomorrow into Saturday. And then that other spot in the southwestern Gulf looks like it's going to kind of take on the same movement as Alberto and move into northeastern Mexico maybe later this weekend. So there are no tropical impacts expected here locally. So that's good news. Here's your 7-day forecast. The big thing is the heat heading into the weekend. It's going to be hot with temperatures in the mid 90s this weekend. Make sure you stay cool, drink plenty of water if you'll be outside all weekend long. But we'll bring back those scattered showers and storm chances early next week.